What up? You know it's your boy, Mr. Consistent. We dropping a video every single day. Every single day. Man, we got to get the numbers up. You know what I'm saying? You know how that go. But today we got a video by BodyCamPOV. And the title of the video is Man Gets Arrested While Giving Daughter Money. We just gonna say that. Money, okay? Certain type of money, but you know, we gonna keep it as that. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully this video is pretty interesting. You know I like reacting to these type of scenarios. So we're definitely about to get into it. Let's do it.
Officers blocked in a suspect that has been convicted of possessing illegal substances with the intent to distribute. This time they found water.
Gray hat, gray shirt, gray pants. What's up, guys? You're good. We'll tell you what's going on in just a second. Y'all hang out for just a minute. What's going on? We'll tell you in a minute, man.
Oh, they moved in on them quick.
You're good. Just stay in the car. Just stay in the car for a second.
Excuse me.
Just stay in the car for a second. We'll explain.
Oh, they moved on. What? They moved in on him fast, right? In front of his kids? Oh man. That's crazy.
Everything.
All right. It's all right.
All right. You got any weapons or anything on you, man?
So can you get it?
I'm putting it right here on the dash, so it doesn't blow away.
Your child?
Okay.
What the hell happened? All right. It's all right.
Can you guys tell me how you know this guy?
This is my ex-husband.
Okay.
This is his daughter.
Can you get it? Put my
He just
child?
came to
Give us a second. So some detectives
Child?
gave us notice to come block in his truck, take him
Well,
into custody.
can you get that money from him for my daughter, please?
We'll give it just a second. They're going to be giving just a second. Okay. Can I get your name, please? You guys aren't in any trouble.
Oh, no,
Like I
I'm
said,
not.
detectives.
I don't even live here.
Detectives just came and said we need to come and block his car and take him into custody, and they'll be here in just a second. Okay.
Chill out, baby. It's okay.
See, it's just crazy when stuff like this goes on in front of the kids. You know what I mean? Like that. This is something that they're gonna remember forever. You know what I'm saying? This is definitely this incident right here will never leave their mind. You know, and it is what it is.
Let me search him. Yeah. You're good. Do you have anything on you, man? Is that your child in the car, man?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that your wife? Sorry, I didn't know that. We probably would have got you away from the car. Tactical if we knew that.
I know you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt, but I just wanted to tell you that we now have members only content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification and make sure you hit right here, join, right? We have supporter, gives you certain perks as far as emojis, badges, and stuff like that. Then we have early access, which is you have early access to the videos that will be coming up on the channel, plus whatever comes in the supporter package. And then you have VIP, which you get everything in the supporter package and in early access, but alongside members only live streams. You can join me on the live stream if you want. And we have exclusive, and I mean exclusive, members only videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the members only.
What happened?
I'll explain everything, man. Let me just get more information. Is that your vehicle right there?
Yeah.
The white truck? Okay. Is there anything inside of that vehicle that I need to know about? Okay. What's in your pocket right now? Feels like a bag or something.
Candy or some shit like that.
Okay, do you mind if I get it out?
No, man.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just heard the detective say on the radio that he's just detained. He's not under arrest. Like we're kind of coming on like limited information on our end. But as soon as we know something, we'll let you know. And I'm sure they're just going to be up here in just a minute. Okay?
All right.
Candy?
Yeah.
Looks like crap.
No, but I did that.
Heroin?
No. You got
Fentanyl?
Yeah,
Oh man, got him. He had it on him. Oh man.
Husband. We've been divorced since 2013. It's her daughter his daughter's in the front seat. We just got her braces done. we were meeting him over here because he's supposed to be giving her some money for Valentine's Day and to go shopping today. So that was the main reason why we came over here. And I didn't even see y'all pull up. Y'all are.
Yeah.
But I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
I don't live here,
So he's your ex-husband?
Ex-husband.
Okay. And then, I'm sorry, they were talking to me here. That's his daughter right there?
In the front seat.
In the front seat. Okay. And then what about, are there two
These
kids?
are my 2 kids.
Those are your 2 kids.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So here's the issue, right? He had like a large sum of money. I guess he was giving it to the daughter.
Right.
Okay. Well, he also had some drugs on him as well. Did you purchase any narcotics from him?
No, I don't do drugs.
I just have to ask because he had that amount on him.
No, I don't do drugs.
Okay. Is there any in your vehicle?
No.
All right. Any objection to me searching it?
No, you can search it.
Okay. All right. We're gonna do that real quick. If you would, you can just sit on my push bumper right there. You can grab your kids out as well. I'm gonna search the car. She gave me consent for that.
See, come on, that's too much now. I don't clip. That's not even his car. That's her car. Like, they ain't gotta do all that, bro. The kids is there. This is man. I know she gave consent and everything, but this is overboard with the cops. I ain't gonna lie. Like, search his vehicle. You know what I'm saying? She just gave you a reasonable story. Like, you know, she came in town, whatever. He about to give her some money to go shopping with or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Doing daddy duties. You know what I mean? But they don't gotta do all this, bro. This is unnecessary. This is unnecessary.
Get out for a second.
Hey man, watch that road. If you want to sit on my other side of my car, you can do that.
Don't cry, baby.
Huh?
How does QT pizza compare to a racetrack?
I don't know. What was Lee saying? I couldn't really hear. He said search the females.
In the area.
Okay.
I don't know if, we could probably search her too.
Okay. I got consent from her, so.
Huh?
I had consent from her to search the car, so.
What was her name?
I didn't even get it. Hey, I'm gonna let you do this. I'm just gonna keep an eye on him.
Okay, and also talk to her and see what her story. Did you already ask?
Yeah, I
her?
already got all that. Yeah.
What'd she say?
She said that's her ex-husband. She was meeting him over here because that's their daughter together. And he was gonna give her some money.
Okay.
Back in 2022, I lost 2 very important people in my life. Big figures. It really wasn't until February of this year.
Hey, Portia.
What'd you say, man?
What's going on, man?
Well, man, you got a little bit of dope on you, right?
Yeah, but I wasn't doing selling no dope. I just got that from Mike. It's supposed to be dope.
And it's supposed to be dope?
It don't supposed to be dope, no. I got that from Mike. He just put it in my car.
Dispatch received. So that's his daughter sitting in the front seat, and I guess he was about to hand her money.
Yeah.
And then, so I got mom's name.
You see anything?
Yeah, right on the dash, there's a bunch of residue. See that residue on. Okay, so you guys got stuff on the phone. Hey, Bo, that's his daughter. So there is a pistol, and it's facing you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So what the driver told me is the girl sitting in the front seat's his daughter. Okay. She's baby mama, and he was supposed to give her money. That's all she told me so far.
I mean, it may be the truth. I just given what we got.
He hasn't got to it yet, but the pistol's under the center console right here, so I don't know too much about him. And I know you heard Bo say that what they got out of his pocket and everything.
Do you think it was fentanyl?
I don't know. I didn't see it. They grabbed him up real quick. I talked to her, and then
No,
me and
y'all,
Foggy moved
man, that was
over
Texas
here.
Swift. Y'all did it well.
Do you have your phone on you?
What, my work phone?
Dang, that boy going to jail, bruh. Damn. That boy going to jail, bruh. Out there hustling, trying to, you know what I'm saying, make a couple dollars, take care of his kids. Going to jail, bruh. Damn.
Either of them. I left my cell phone. Yeah, so we just take a picture of that, and then we'll run this gun. So I know they pulled dope off of him. Bo said it was like half an ounce of pistol, and the scales right here under the thing. So I'm gonna take a picture of it and then run it real quick. So it happened a lot faster than I thought it would.
Good. No worries. I wasn't far.
Hey, Foggy, there is Narcan behind that seat over there, too.
There's a what?
A box of Narcan.
Okay.
Foggy, did you see a teddy bear on that side anywhere? Teddy bear?
A teddy bear?
Yeah.
I don't see a teddy bear.
Well, and there's a lot of dead space because it's a...
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. That's a different type of drug dealer right there. That boy selling Narcan too? Here, take this little hit, boom. Hey, I don't need you passing out on my watch. Here, take this, boom. In case you start nodding out. Here, hit that, whoop, right in the nose. You know, get you right, boy. Oh, yeah, he a different type of, okay. I see the move, boy. That boy tried to, he don't need them passing out on his watch, boy. Cause, you know, if they find out who sell it or whatever, you going down. You know what I'm saying? You going down for that. So, yeah, that.
Old truck.
What?
So, because it's an old truck, there's like a dead space in the door, and then you got the whole radio and center console and
Get your
shit.
knife and feel for a magnet.
Feel for a magnet with a knife?
With a knife, because of the metal.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
what they do. They get the magnet and they put it inside of the quarter panels. So the magnet will be facing the outside. So it'll catch your knife.
Huh.
Phil's going that night class. With a knife on the outer quarter panel. Yeah. Did you go? Yeah, you remember that. Yep.
Like you can feel it like right away?
Yeah, it'll grab your knife.
Huh. So he said you can feel for those magnets.
You run your knife across that turban truck. Remember that truck search? Oh, yeah. It'll grab your knife out of your hand.
Ooh, XD.
Yeah, that's Smith & Wesson.
Yeah, and then his 2 phones. That one keeps ringing like crazy.
You want a bag?
Which one?
This one.
It's on airplane mode.
Is it?
We need to.
Make sure this one is too. Man's got 2 iPhones.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We don't have any paper bags?
No?
I don't even know if that's worth putting in a bag. Is there anything like small or loose or...
Just,
no?
Just this and the 2 phones. I bet he's got a paper bag, right? I just don't want to make a scene with this little girl all freaking out.
Hey. This size? The smaller one. Yeah. You the lunch size?
You got fentanyl?
I thought it was crack, dude. It's like a cookie, like this.
Heroin?
No, it's an active card. Like, that ain't crack. I was like,
Hey, I finally got to find something. Oh, yeah, he just went through the car wash.
Long tires.
This is a nice old truck. I've always liked these old trucks.
step sides too?
Yeah. Not step side. I don't like step side. Do you?
You buy this, I'll put some different glues on it. Real supercharger.
You never realized how small.
I ain't gonna lie. If I was the female, nah, you can't search my car, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. You gonna have to. Nah, you gonna have to have something on me, because just because you got him, you know, selling, you know, drugs and all that stuff, that ain't got nothing to do with me. Even with the exchange, you seen the exchange between the daughter and him. You know what I'm saying? And you seen it was money. You know what I'm saying? He was looking out. That's sad, bruh. Of course, he shouldn't be doing what he doing, but I mean, I see, you know, he just, man, dude just trying to take care of his family, bruh. Like, I can respect that, bruh. I can't even lie. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know, because there's some guys out here that got jobs or doing things, you know, illegal or legal or whatever the case may be, and they don't even take care of their kids, bruh. You know, stop through, here you go, you know what I mean? Like, try to, you know, take yourself shopping, do, you know, he's still trying to take care of his responsibilities, man. Damn.
What? No, 2 to 5.
I mean, upgrade the sound system.
I never realized how small the beds are.
Yeah.
The bed is pretty small. Yeah. I can put a full mattress in mine.
Put the phones. Both of them on airplane mode.
It's a standard bed, but it's 6 standard is not 6.
If you want to go through it at all, did you ever get that seat over there, Ro?
No.
let's keep the keys. We're gonna go back to the house or not. But those two of those look like safe keys, possibly.
Oh, these? Walker said, oh, Walker's talking to him. Walker's talking to him. I never did run the driver of that car.
Her?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got her.
Did you write it down? I wrote it down too. But then I was on like narc and we had a bunch going on, so I was like, I'm not gonna worry about calling it out yet.
Is he gonna interview them too, or her?
I don't have to. I already told them they're good to go.
I'm gonna go run her and make sure she's good if your car's unlocked.
Yeah. I had the car right down at the shower. That was fun.
What's that?
That was fun.
I'm just sitting there with his daughter. He wasn't, yeah. He's playing it cool.
The suspect was booked for trafficking illegal drugs, possession of firearm by convicted felon, and possession of firearm during commission of or attempt to commit certain felonies.
What I think about it, doing the wrong thing, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, on the other hand of it, you know, I could respect a man trying to take care of his kids, bruh. You know, whether you get it legally or illegally, you know what come with that. You know what I'm saying? So you know what come with that. And everybody grown men and women or whatever the case may be. And but I could respect him trying to take care of his kids, bro. The only thing that I really don't agree with is searching the baby mom. Like, the story sounded pretty good. Like, you know what I'm saying? She not from here, you know what I'm saying? But she stopped, make sure he see his daughter and stuff like that or whatever. He was gonna give her some money to go shopping and stuff like that. Like, you ain't have to search her car and drag the kids out and all that other stuff. Like, search his vehicle, of course, you know, and stuff, but you ain't really have to search her stuff. But that's the only thing that I kind of disagree with. See, bruh, in a couple years, you know, you gonna be gone for a few years, boy. That firearm, boy, firearm, and you already a felon? Yeah, you out of here, you hear me?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.